Good morning, students. Today we talk about History, Chapter 1, The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. The summary of the chapter: during 19th century, nationalism emerged as a force in Europe. It brought about sweeping changes in the political and mental work of Europe, which resulted in emergence of the nation state. A centralized administrative system and a uniform law for all citizens was introduced. Napoleon had incorporated a revolutionary principle by introducing in the Civil Code of 1804, which was known as the Napoleonic Code. A landed aristocracy was the dominant class on the continent. Liberalism stood for the freedom of markets and the abolition of state-imposed restriction on the movement of goods and capital. Following the defeat of Napoleon in 1815, European governments were driven by a spirit of conservatism. Their main intention was to restore in the monarchies that has been overthrown by Napoleon and create a new conservative order in Europe. The Treaty of Constantinople of 1932 recognized Greece as an independent nation. In 1948, France, Germany, Italy, Poland, etc. demanded for a nation state based on constitution, freedom of the press and freedom of association. During the middle of the 19th century, Italy was divided into 7 states. Only Sardinia and Piedmont was ruled by an Italian princely houses. Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed the King of United Italy. The Act of Union between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. The symbols of the New Britain were the British flag, the national anthem, and the English language. These are the main point of the chapter as I given you as a summary. Please note it, okay? Then study it. These are the main points that we will discuss in this particular chapter. The French Revolution and the idea of nation. Second point, the making of nationalism in Europe, meaning of liberal nationalism. Third point, the age of revolution 1830 to 1848. 1848, the revolution of the liberals. Fourth point, the making of Germany and Italy. The last point, visualizing the nations. So one by one we will discuss and we will study. Okay.